Clubhouse is a trending app at the moment. High-profile personalities like Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, and even Mr. Beast is on the app too. This is how to send an invite using your iPad and Android phone. First, open your iPad. Go to Contacts, then add a new contact info. Enter the name and phone number. Save the contact info. Then, open the Clubhouse app. Click the Invites icon and select the name you want to send the invite. A new window will appear containing a text message. Copy this text message to your Android phone. Send the text message to the person with the same contact number you entered on your iPad. That's how easy to send an invite using your iPad and Android phone. Have you been on the Clubhouse? Share your experience in the comments below. Watch my video here on how to activate a Clubhouse invite using the iPad and Android phone. See you again next time.